Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making your profile instantly credible. Tighten your headline to state your role and value. Once optimized, define a precise target using LinkedIn filters, industry, title, company size, and location, and save 50 to 100 prospects. Then, craft a brief connection message that references a mutual point or their content. Keep it personalized and under 300 characters. Send 20 connections on day 1 to test response rates and track who accepts so you can move into follow-up messages. Once connections accept, follow up with a message that delivers value. Share a relevant stat, a short insight, and ask one simple question. Avoid pitching. Make sure to engage their recent posts and comment thoughtfully on at least 5 target posts each week to build visibility and trust. Use a 3-touch sequence across 14 days. Value, case example, soft ask. Track replies and move interested contacts into calendar invites. Uninterested ones get occasional value drops to stay top of mind. You close by converting warm conversations into a short 15 to 20-minute call, sending a calendar invite with a clear agenda and desired outcome. Once on calls, probe pain points, quantify impact, and align your solution to their priorities. Follow up with a concise proposal the same day. Make sure to measure response, meeting, and conversion rates weekly. If replies are low, troubleshoot. Tighten your target criteria, shorten messages, swap the opening hook, and a /B test 2 connection scripts for 7 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.